Hey everybody, Tom here. This time on Let's Geek Out on Unica, we're talking offer strategy. That's coming up next. Hey everybody, we're back, and this is our continuing series on offers and offer strategy. I'm joined by Matt Anderson as usual, and today Matt's going to get into the software and show you centralized offer management. So over to you, Matt.
Thanks, Tom, and hi, everyone. So in the last segment, we quickly introduced some of the offer concepts that might not be familiar to everyone. And today what I want to do is I want to get into the software so you can become familiar with the new user interface and see how we actually create an offer and how we can save them as templates, and then how we can later use them for things like personalization and testing and arbitration. So first of all, what I want to do is go into version 12. And so for those of you who haven't been a part of the beta testing program, this is the new look and feel. And now offers is now prominently displayed in the main menu. You'll notice here with the offer management main directory here, I can view all of basically the file directory system I have set up for my different types of offers. So again, we're using the example of this retailer, Aurora. And let's say that we have different types of offers. So I've got buy one, get one offers, savings and discounts, free shipping, new arrivals, and so on and so forth. So let me show you how to build an offer from a template that I've already created. Now, again, I would create a template for an offer type like a BOGO or like a promotional, a product-related offer, because they're going to have different types of attributes or fields that I need. So with this buy one, get one, what I need to communicate in that message is I want a call to action button. I want an image. I want a hyperlink that will click through to the landing page for that particular offer. I want to add a title and then a body. And maybe a promotional offer would have other attributes like a promo code, or a discount might have a discount field in there. So now I want to create, let's say, a buy three, get one offer. So I can use the template basically to collect all the fields that I need. So I'm going to name it that, and then I'm going to add, let's say, a call to action, shop now. An image, I'm going to show later how we can actually select that from a digital asset management solution. You can also reference a hyperlink that's stored in another CMS as well. And we'll say this is buy three, get one. And then I can add a body this week only on. And for the rest of this, I could actually personalize it based on the segment that they fall under. And that could be actually data driven from the underlying database. A place, say, women's handbags. And when I save that, then I can now go back and I'll see that it's listed here, buy three, get one in the system. And then I can move these around to different folders. So if I chose that later I wanted to move this to, maybe a different folder, I could easily click on that and decide where I wanted to move that to in the file structure. So that's it for this first part of the series on how to create an offer and offer management in the Unica version 12 software. Back to you, Tom.
Thanks, Matt. So you can see we've added some pretty rich functionality here. And the other key thing is we've centralized offers as a centralized offer library so that you can use it across Interact, Optimize, and Campaign, which is not only a time saver, but it just makes things easier to organize. So we hope to catch you on the next one, where we're going to continue our conversation about offers and offer strategy.
Thanks.
Thanks.